So a question for you, if you could just pause and think, what information would you think that you need to gather to perform the following types of functions? If you want to effectively handle a computer security event or an incident, if you want to effectively handle a potential or an existing vulnerability, how would you prioritize that workload if you've come up with a list of items? Which ones are the most important? And of those, which ones would your management or leadership of the organization be most interested in? So we're going to ask you to pause the recording and take that time for yourself. Now that you've had some time to think about it, we actually asked a very similar question of a group of experts and observed what they did. And here's what we found. So for the decision-making criteria that the experts used to handle the incident, they were most interested in the following kinds of information. Number one, does the report fall within my team's scope? In other words, am I familiar with the format of this report? And is this something that my team is responsible for handling? If the scope is not in my team's scope, it might be the team might be able to immediately determine that they are not responsible for the information and try to get it to the person that is. Number two, my team or organization should work to resolve this situation because no one else is likely to help. So this is somewhat related to number one, but it's also slightly different. Even if they are not responsible, it doesn't mean that they're not going to help. It just means they have some additional questions to ask about who else has been involved so far and if the right people are getting the information that they need. Number three, the sender is legitimate. So there's some questions about if you receive an incident report or a tip from someone, how can you verify that that person is, in fact, the real thing and they are giving you good information? Number four, whether or not this is a serious or a sophisticated attack, or if it's something that is routine or frequently encountered. Number five, whether the attack is a novel or a new thing. So you could think about sort of how rare these events are.